client came with it. This one took a little bit of time. These things don't just fall off a turnip truck, you know what I mean? Emeralds right there in the front too. You got orange sapphires in the front too, on the bottom. You got blue sapphires. This is exactly how he wanted it. He saw another grill that we had on our set, our website, sorry. And he ordered it, but then he wanted specific gemstones in a certain specific way. This is what I be posting. I be meaning everything I post, y'all. Everything I do is catching on fire, especially these ones. The Birthstone Grillz have caught on fire. It's just too personal. Everybody can relate. So I don't know what each one of these birthstone represent for my guy. Probably each one represents a different person. You know, July, September, May, September, you know. Each one of these could represent a different person for him. But you see that done? That is ridiculous. This is pretty much the prong set. Prong set is still nice, guys. You see that? When it's set right, it's still nice, man. Appreciate y'all, man. These teeth are not flat, so we have to set these on a curved surface. So we always make each one unique to your teeth. Everybody's teeth is different. His teeth are not going to be the same size as the next person's teeth. Certain people have small teeth, so you couldn't fit this many stones, you know. So that's why we can never say how much on grills, especially when it comes to stone, the ones with the stones. It's always going to start with your budget. That way also, so we're not spending up our time here. But this one is nasty. Look at it. Look at it. Craziness, man. Very happy with the way this turned out. Looking at about $1,400-1,500 for something like this. If you need you one, inbox me. Let me know the stones you want. Give me that payment, and we get you started. Right now, this one probably took about maybe roughly 4 to 5 weeks because it's a lot of work. And we have to wait for the stones. We have to order those individually. Like I said, they don't just come off a turnip truck. We don't just have orange sapphires, blue sapphires, everything just sitting around, you know. These are all custom made, rubies. You know, but man, I appreciate everybody, man, for showing the love and for rocking with the team, rocking with the channel. You know, of course, we got the clean backs, man. Clean, smooth 925 backs, man. It's got to be done right so we get that proper look. Most people in these ones, a lot of people do. I won't say most people, but a lot of people leave the 8th tooth solid because you don't really see it. It's not really that you see it unless you're really looking at someone's mouth. Plus, they just want some reason they just like having that end tooth polished to give it a different look. So it still has that basic grill look on the end. So like I said, this is 925 sterling silver, but you guys know how ours come out because we use 925. You see that? So yeah, quality work, guys, and everything we putting out. We're taking our time. If you don't rush us, allow us to do quality work. We really appreciate it. If you want your work rushed and you want your work to look rushed, we can do that too, but we don't like rushing work. So you know what I mean? Rushing work. Like to make sure it's done right. This didn't come out right, I would send it right back to my team and have it redone. That's gonna take extra time. So that's why we always ask for grace period, and just in case, because things do happen. And we're not sitting behind a desk playing with people's jobs and stuff like that. We don't have time or the effort to do that, guys. Look at those prongs holding each one of those stones, man. I was just looking at it while I was talking to you guys. Each one of them things is held by prongs, and it's just beautiful. That multicolor look is crazy, y'all. I must say, whoever did this is a beast. Shout out to all my people on the gram, all my people on YouTube, Facebook, the people that really rock with us. You know, shout out to people who trust the process and understand this is a process. So, yep. Then you got the other ones. But either way it goes, it's all good. This video has been for you, and I hope somebody out there can appreciate it and it can touch somebody in a certain type of way. But y'all be easy. SeattleGoGrills.com. 206-250-0833 business line. Give us a call anytime. Peace out, y'all.